So as I said, that red wire, we cut it in half. We put the fuse right here, and the other end, this is positive side. We have 2015 Chrysler 300. Customer came in with this issue. Radio's on, volume is all the way up. I have no audio. This one has a Bang & Olufsen audio system. So there is an amplifier under the dash. And I have no power. So I'm gonna tell you how we can fix this one. In the trunk, open up this cover. Underneath, there's a battery here. Right next to it, this is a fuse box. I pulled it out. This is wedged in like this. There is a clip here. You pull this away, and you pull this out. It's going to be very tight. It's easier to remove the bottom cover. There's a clip here, clip on the side. So once you have that out, this can be pulled out like this. The reason that I'm taking that out is, you notice this fuse. I got it out. If you can see it, it's all burnt up. Now, when this one happens, when it burns up, usually the contacts where the fuse goes into, that gets melted as well. So not only this fuse is popped, but also it burnt out this contact right here. This side is the in, this side is out. I'm going to show you underneath. So if you go underneath, Jim, can you hold this? Alright, so this is underneath. Now, this is the first fuse. As you can see, we got the fuse blown that's out. There's no power there. Right here is the 12 volt feed in. This is a 12 volt line. This side is out to after the fuse, which goes this big, like I don't know, there's maybe 12 gauge wire. That is power for the amplifier. So if I go to fuses, they all have power. So those are the power. This one, I have no power because, as I said, we got this fuse taken out and it's also burnt up and blown, as you can see. So temporarily, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot power right here. So I'm shooting 12 volt in. See that? So that's the issue. Now there's two ways to fix this one. One, of course, replace the fuse box, which will cost you quite a bit. Even if you get the used one, to change out this thing, it's a bit involved. So rather than changing out this fuse box, what we're going to do is we're going to grab this red wire. We're going to put our own fuse externally. Since the battery is right here, that's the constant power going in there anyway. So we're going to put fuse, tap onto this main battery right here, cut this wire, and we're going to tap onto this wire, which is an amplifier power side, which is right there. Alright, it's a simple fix rather than replacing the whole fuse box. So as I said, that red wire, we cut it in half. We put the fuse right here, and the other end, this is positive side. So you connect that inline fuse to the red wire we cut. So this goes back in by slide down here, and the wire is still getting power from the battery direct with the fuse.